Holly Jolly Christmas. The introduction is the last line of the song. The word sheet I'm looking at has 3 lines at the bottom that I don't know why they're there. Maybe this was maybe there was another page to this at one time, but it would be the same as this page. So it's it says G, but it could easily be G7 and should be probably. Remember, if you have a chord with a 7 after it, I mean, usually they're pretty easy, but if you don't want to play that chord, you can play it, just don't worry about the 7. But in this case, G7 is, I mean, it's one of the first chords we learned, so it should be okay. So I'll start there, and we go back to the beginning. So I'll just do the intro for right now. 1, 2, ready, go. Oh, by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Have a holly. Okay. Now this holly jolly, when you get to the first line of the song, have a holly. Do you remember it, or maybe you haven't looked yet, but it's a Marshmallow World. Here again is our holly jolly Christmas, it's the best. That first line you can do the same bit as you do on Marshmallow World. So let's start with, we've just played a C chord. Let's start with have a holly. So holly is really the first beat of that measure. The words have a are what we'd call a pickup. Have a holly, like that. So, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Oh, I'll stop there because on meet it says C, which is fine, and then you can, let's see, so you can play 2 beats of C and then 2 beats of C7. That C7 chord is it leads you into F, so it's nice. So now we'll start on the F chord. Oh ho, the mistletoe. 1, 2, ready, go. Oh ho, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you. Kiss her once for me. Have a ha. Okay, there again. On me, you had a G chord, but you could then switch to a G7 chord for a couple of beats. Kiss her once for me. Have a holly. Okay, so we'll start on have a. 1, 2, 3. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And in case you didn't hear, oh, by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Then you go back to oh ho, the mistletoe. All right? Hopefully that'll help some.